Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I recreated this entire Pinterest look into this for only $20. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Araceli and this is Araceli Chan DIY. Before you go anywhere, I would love for you guys to stick around by subscribing to my channel and hitting the bell so you're notified every time I upload a video, especially if you love budget-friendly decor, DIYs, and upcycles. Listen, I know you guys love Dollar Tree. I love Dollar Tree, so I am going to sprinkle a little bit of Dollar Tree stuff in there. However, most of this is going to be thrift store stuff. So I try to recreate this look on a super small budget, and purpose for this video also is to let you guys know and let you guys see that you don't always have to go to Dollar Tree to decorate on a budget, and sometimes spending $5-10 to recreate one big piece, you might as well just try to go to the thrift store and see if you can find something there. So I'm very big on stepping outside of Dollar Tree stuff and trying to find stuff elsewhere that's not going to break the bank. So I wanted to do something a little bit different today, a little bit more interactive. I think interactive, maybe not. So I decided to maybe make this into a series where I take Pinterest decor, and not just the specific decor, but the entire setup, and try to recreate it on a budget. So the stuff that I did today, it only cost me about $20, the actual stuff that I bought, and I did use some of the things that I already had at home, and we just try to make it as similar as possible. It's not like the spitting image, but I think it was pretty dang close. So if you guys are excited for that, make sure you guys keep on watching. All right, so I am at Goodwill now. I'm actually just gonna take an extra look at the pictures that I saved for the decor I want to recreate. I just want to make sure that I go with what I want, and we're obviously going to try to do this on a budget, and we'll let you guys know exactly how much I spent in the end to recreate these looks. So let me just take a look at this one more time, and then we'll head in there. So when I go to Goodwill or any thrift store, mostly Goodwill, I like to browse around and just look at everything in every single aisle, especially if it's like home decor stuff, because you will always be guaranteed to find something really amazing for a really low price. Like, for example, this is one of the first things that I saw. It's like a huge lantern, and it was $4.99. I wish it was a blue sticker day because that would have been half off, but it's okay. You can see it's cracked there. Somebody left it because it's broken, but I'm just going to freaking fix that, and it's going to be as good as new. And just a lot of huge dinnerware and dishes and all that stuff that you see on the aesthetic pages that go for a lot of money, you can find really cheap at the thrift store.
You think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you. What things you like and
so that was pretty close. $2.99. Let's do it. Okay, so I think I found everything I'm gonna find this time around. So I think I might make a pit stop at Dollar Tree, because there's a couple of bowls that I don't see here. I don't know if I'm gonna find them at Dollar Tree either, but we'll go ahead and try. If not, then I think we might be done.
The only dilemma when checking out is they literally do not have any bags, so I have to and they can't touch the stuff, so I have to hand every single thing for them to scan, put it back in the cart, and then put it back in my car, and I forget about this every single time, so I never come prepared.
Okay, so I wanted to be a little more, talking to you guys while I was in the store, but I don't know why I still get embarrassed or shy, and there was a lot of people. It was really busy in there, so I didn't want to be weird and just be filming myself while I'm walking through. So I kind of showed you guys more or less what I found in there, and again, I was having a hard time finding exactly what I wanted. I was gonna go with one inspiration at first, but then I couldn't find a few things, so I had to switch it up to something else, which is just fine because I feel like it's a it's a cute look. So right now I'm actually gonna go probably to Dollar Tree, and then I have Grocery Outlet right here, which they always have really cute plants. I'm a plant killer. I do want to try to do like the live plant. If I don't find the live plant, I'll probably just do like faux plants either from Dollar Tree or whatever I have at home. But not, I probably didn't get everything at Goodwill from this. If anything, I might just use some extra stuff that I have at home too. But yeah, I'm actually really excited to show you guys the end result. So we'll go ahead and head home now, or actually to the store. I am sweating, so let's get going.
Okay, so I'm just going to go over really quickly over the stuff that I bought to recreate this look. So this vase was $2.99. As you can see, it's like in excellent condition. It's pretty much new. And then I also found this vase, which is just a generic vase, but it has those little ridges that go horizontally, or not horizontally along or around the vase. You can hear my dog in the background. Sorry about that. $1.99 for that tag, and then also this little blue vase that's not exactly like the one in the picture, but it has that blue tone for $1.99, and then this little saucer for 79 cents. And then I actually, are you kidding me right now, girl? OMG. Real life, guys. Okay, and this one did not have a tag, but the guy gave it to me for 79 cents also. And then this is the only almost white frame that I found. What is it? $2.99. It was orange sticker day, so it was half off. And just so you guys know, I could not find any at home or at Dollar Tree. And then I also got this terracotta pot for $2.99. I know they have these at Walmart. I don't know exactly how much they cost for something this size. And believe it or not, this is super close to the basket in the picture, and that was pure luck. It was $2.99. And then these are from Dollar Tree, this little, I think it's like a glass candle holder thing you find by the candles. And these two bowls, I tried looking for other similar ones, but this was as close as I could get. But I also actually like all the detailing around it that will show once I start painting it. And then on the bottom of that, I also found the second basket that's going to go like on top of the other one to give it that height. And the first thing that I'm going to do is just start washing everything because, you know, it's been at a thrift store for who knows how long. Typically when I can't get stickers off, I just spray it with like a cleaner and let it soak, and then it'll come right off.
You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better.
One more glimpse of the picture before I start decorating. We're going to start at the top shelf from left to right. So to recreate that terracotta pot, actually the terracotta pot, I already bought it, but to do the little saucer part of it, I am going to mix some paint, and I just used some deep brown acrylic paint from Dollar Tree, and this is like a yellow orange. This is like a craft store paint, I don't know. And then I also did add some baking soda just to give it a nice little texture or like a chalky finish, and I was just mixing paint until I thought it was like the best match. I did actually end up using like a coral color as well, and then once I got the best color mix or the best shade to match the terracotta pot, I started painting that Dollar Tree saucer.
Will you take me for granted? Will you knock me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes
Not including in the cost is the floral foam that's underneath this, the moss that it already came with, and then just this greenery bundle. I believe this is from Dollar Tree. This is stuff I already had at hand.
But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't want to get hurt.
On this framed art, I just took that Goodwill frame. I actually did end up spray painting it white because I messed up after I started painting it here. And then once it was spray painted white, I did redo that trim, like just around with some black chalkboard paint. And then the picture that you guys are going to see is something that I just printed off from my Canva designs. And I did use some Dollar Tree cardstock to create that like inner frame.
To give you my heart, yeah. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down?
So on this next one, all I'm going to do is take that Dollar Tree, no, I'm sorry, not Dollar Tree, but my Goodwill vase, and you guys can see it has like a little bit of a frosted look to it, so I'm just going to take my matte white paint and spray paint it all around.
Yeah.
And I want you guys to notice the height difference between this next vase to the one that I painted before. It's right about halfway. So on this one, again, taking stuff I already had, some floral foam, and then the closest I could find was some boxwood. So I'm just going to put it right on there. And I feel like the height difference is perfect. So it definitely looks, you know, more on the line of the recreated look. So on this one, definitely did not have a watering can anywhere. I tried to find one at Dollar Tree and Goodwill as well. Next best thing is this Grove caddy that I have had for a long time. And then the little blue vase, I just took a leaf from my yucca plant and put it right in there with some water. I also tried searching for the cookbooks and the bowls to match, but I couldn't. So I just decided to use 2 cookbooks that I had already at home. And then also the bowls that you guys saw were the ones from Dollar Tree. I couldn't find anything that was smooth and big enough, so I just decided to go with these textured ones and use my matte white spray paint. So I tried, but I couldn't find a cutting board as beautiful as this. So we just went ahead and used what we had at home. I had one that matched it better, but it's too big to fit in here. So we're just gonna go with this one. And then I'm just gonna add the final touches with the little saucer and the little pouring pitcher, whatever this is called. And we're gonna go ahead and see the final look here in just a minute.
I'll let you go, just need some time. At your own pace, you need to find your way. I know now you'll never change your mind for something that matters to me. You do not know what I have in mind. Packed our bags, we'll be on our way. The night was long as I waited without a sign. 'Cause I know what matters to you. But what do you want? What's your biggest need?
So you guys, we have come to the end of the video. I had a lot of fun doing this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was something a little bit different and not typical for what I do, but I do want to spread my wings and do a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and of course sprinkle the Dollar Tree stuff that I know you guys all love. So let me know if you guys think this was spot on or if I could have done something a little bit different. That's it. That's all I got in me today, you guys. Thanks so much for tuning in once again. If you did enjoy this video, you guys know what to do. Those thumbs up truly help my channel out. Make sure you guys leave me any questions or comments down below. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. See you guys on the next one. Bye.
Every hour we spend together, then suddenly the chances are small, just like the love.